Place value drawings, subtraction, day 5. Just to let you know, we're doing more 3-digit problems. So if you need to keep practicing 2 digits, spend a couple more days on those. Again, here's our 200s chart. Notice again that 100 and 200 are considered the big benchmarks, or the BB. All the 10s and 20s and 30s and 120s, 140s, those are our close benchmarks, or our next 10. We use those all the time when we're subtracting 3-digit numbers. All right, here's our problem. 125 minus 68. So notice on this one, the 25 is smaller than the 68. As you look at our picture, we cannot take 68 away from that 25. So we are going to take it away from the 100. So 125 minus 68, I'm just going to subtract the entire 100. Now, the question is how much do we get back? Well, 68, first of all, will give you a 2 to get to 70, and then a 30 to get to 100, because 68's partner to 100 is 32. We've been practicing these, so 60 plus 30 equals 90. 8 plus 2 equals 10. 90 plus 10 equals 100. So 68's partner to 100 is 32. So that's how much we'll get back. So we now have 5 10s, which is 50. And then a 5 and a 2 is a 7. So 57 is your answer. All right. 111 minus 39. Again, I cannot take 39 away from 11. So I'm going to subtract my entire 100. And for the change, I need to know 39's partner to 100. Or 39's partner to the big benchmark, which is 100. Well, 30 needs a 60 to get to 90, and 9 needs a 1 to get to 10. So 90 plus 10. So 39's partner is 61. So I'll draw a 50, and then I'll actually draw a 60 up there and put the 1 up there. So my answer is 72. Anytime we look at that, if this number on the bottom is smaller than the number right there, we can just subtract from the 10s. So 51 minus 28. 28's next 10 is 30, so carefully cross out the 30 and put 2 back. So 123. That's a problem like the ones we were practicing yesterday, where we can subtract the 10s and 1s from the 10s and 1s and not worry about the 100. All right, 142 minus 59. I'm going to draw my 100. 10, 20, 30, 40, leave a space, and 1, 2. I'm going to subtract 49. I'm going to subtract 59. So I don't have enough 10s and 1s because 59 is larger than 42. So I'm just going to subtract the next 100, or the big benchmark. So 59's next 100 is 100. I'm just going to say, here, take my 100. So I need to know how much change I will get back. So I need to know my partner to 100. Remember, we've been practicing the 90 plus 10 check. So 50 plus 40 equals 90, and 1 plus 9 equals 10. So 59's partner is 41. So I'll put a 10, 20, 30, 40, and a 1. And so my final answer would be 83. All right, 241 minus 65. So I have a 241 minus 65. Now as I subtract 65, again, I don't have enough 10s and 1s, so I need to take away from my 100. I've shown you one way that I like to do it. Some kids like to do this. They say, okay, I'm going to take away the 100 and I'm going to build it back as I do it. So 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70. As soon as they get to 70, then they say 10, 20, 30. So they draw the pieces back on their board as they count up to get to 100. So my answer, I have a 100. There's 50, 60, 70, 6. 176. Let's try another one. 314. So there's our 300. Now I'm going to subtract 75. So the first thing I look and say is, can I subtract 75 over there? No, I can't. So I need to take it from the 100. Now, as you think about it, I need 75 of it. So I'm going to need about that much of it. So I'm just going to take the whole 100 and then put the partner back. So again, you can think in your mind 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80. As soon as you get to the 80, then add your 10 sticks, 90, 100. So we have 239. Again, you could always check your answers. If I added 239 plus 75, we have 200. 30 plus 70 equals another 100. And 9 plus 5 equals 14. So that equals 314. 444. 300, 400, 10, 20, 30, 40. 1, 2, 3, 4. Remember, the neater you can make your picture, the easier this will be. Minus 66. I can't take away 66 over here because I don't have enough 10s and 1s. So I don't need the whole 100. I only need 66 of it, but I'm just going to give them the 100. And they need to give me my partner. Now, sometimes I write it over here and I put the 34 there, and I just do a check. Before I draw it, I say, okay, does this equal a 90 plus a 10? Well, 60 plus 30 equals 90. 6 plus 4 equals 10. And 90 plus 10 equals 100. So 66's partner to 100 is 34. So 10, 20, 30, 1, 2, 3, 4. I have 378. I absolutely love place value drawings. They just make subtraction really nice. All right, I have 500. I have to subtract 59. Well, I don't even have any 10s and 1s, so I'm just going to give them 100. Again, you need to get 59's partner to 100 back. So in your mind, think 50 needs a 40, 9 needs a 1. So that's what you're going to draw back, a 40 and a 1. And then my answer will be 441. Keep practicing these 3-digit problems. They are a lot of fun.